Care about animal health and produce safety products is our constant goal. As a member of Hexie Group, Hexie Animal Pharmaceutical Company Limited. Since its investment and establishment in 2000, every batch of products have been processed with strict quality control. From raw material procurement, testing, production, inspection, product testing, storage, retention samples. Every process will implement strict requirements of GMP management provisions for production of veterinary drugs. In order to ensure the quality of veterinary products and win trust of our customers. Passing of GMP inspection and acceptance every time is the greatest recognition and trust for Hexie Pharmacy. We firmly believe that good personnel quality and production processes are coming from strict daily adherence and supervision to enable every employee to master GMP provisions accurately and expertly and execute the provisions in daily operation. Our company has developed and implemented a series of regulatory programs, including new employee orientation, production guidance and supervision, asking questions at production site, and organizing regular examinations, etc., to make sure employees can master GMP regulations expertly, and production can be in accordance with technology processes strictly, and quality consistence of Hexie Pharmacy's products. Advanced technology, efficient management originates from cooperation with colleges domestic and abroad, and advanced information sharing platform. Through the efficient data analysis platform, we have accumulated a lot of experience cases for different areas. It helps us grasp the needs of customers and serve our customers better. Cooperate with us, not only for acceptance of our quality, but also for the trust of our brand. Harmonious World. World Hexie. Welcome to visit Hexie Pharmacy.